updates now coming in. First, it was hectic parleys and meetings and then requests with the High Command. But it also looks like the supporters are also looking at some divine intervention. Prayers have been offered from those who are supporting DK Shivkumar, in fact on both sides as well, to ensure that the CM chair does not actually change in case of Siddaramaiah supporters. There are also visuals coming in of many supporters of DK Shivkumar who are offering prayers, hoping that he becomes the Chief Minister now. So we have more details now coming in of the same as the power tussle continues. So we have more breaking updates now coming in the power tussle in Karnataka as it widens. In Tumkuru as well, protests have erupted, and now the demand for the Dalit Chief Minister grows. Clear indication, is it in support of G. Parmeshwara, because protesters have now hit the streets in Tumkuru with Dalit groups pressing for the CM post. So is this one of the reasons why the High Command will think twice before actually making a change? Because this opens up a can of worms. Not just DK Shivkumar, there are other tall leaders within the Congress party, including the Home Minister of the state, G. Parmeshwara himself on many occasions has said that if I'm given an opportunity, I too want to become the Chief Minister. In fact, he took a dig at Shivkumar, going on to say that I won't parade MLAs, I'm a loyal party worker. So Imran, are these protests clear lobbying by G. Parmeshwara, or the supporters of G. Parmeshwara wanting to see him as the Chief Minister? What are the details?
Well, yes, there is a section where within the Congress party who sees that if there is, they want Siddaramaiah to continue. If not, in fact, the second Chief Minister should be from a Dalit community. In fact, CM also, his supporters have expressed confidentially that if High Command asks him to step down, then it should be rather be a Dalit Chief Minister than DK Shivkumar. So there has been the front runner, according to the sources within the party, that he wants Parmeshwara to become the Chief Minister, if not him, because last time there is an allegation that he is responsible for defeating Parmeshwara when he was party president and the party came to power. See, somebody considered him a threat, and that's the reason why he was Siddaramaiah orchestrated his defeat. Now we see protests happening there in Tumkuru. In fact, Parmeshwara also a couple of days back said that he's also a CM aspirant, and if the High Command says he's also fit enough to take the party and the government to run the party and the government in the state. Now, Dalit groups are protesting, demanding that the next Chief Minister should be from the Dalit community, and that coming from Tumkuru, these are Parmeshwara supporters.
Okay, all right. So now protests coming in from the Dalit community saying there should be a Dalit Chief Minister in Karnataka. So these parleys are only going to continue for the High Command. These are also the reasons why they've kept both Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar waiting. Remember, Siddaramaiah himself also went on to say that it's left to the High Command. When they call me, I'm going to go to the national capital. But that suspense continues as the High Command sits to decide how is it that they're going to take a decision. The question being, whatever decision they take, is this going to be a lose-lose situation? Thanking our guests for joining us on the broadcast.